Hi, I am Pratima and welcome to Space Aviation and Technology channel. Moon and Sun, two closest friends of Earth. Let's dive into today's video, the solar eclipse of 2024 and its top 7 unknown facts. Fact number 1. Total solar eclipse is happening on April 8, 2024. A total eclipse can be observed during a morning in Mexico and afternoon in the USA and the eastern part of Canada. A partial eclipse is visible in some other parts of the world as well. The total eclipse starts in the Pacific Ocean and ends in the Atlantic. Fact number 2. During a solar eclipse, the moon aligns perfectly between the earth and the sun. This alignment blocks out the light of the sun and casts a shadow on the earth. If the shadow is partial, we call it a partial solar eclipse. Otherwise, we call it as a total solar eclipse. But do you know the sun, which is about 400 times longer than the moon, also happens to be approximately 400 times further away from the earth. This remarkable coincidence makes the sun and the moon appear to be roughly of the same size from our perspective on the earth, and it appears that the moon is covering the sun. When the moon is completely covering the sun, we call the event totality. This year it is 4 minutes and 28 seconds. NASA has a website called Eclipse Explorer where you can enter your zip code and see if your location is in the path of eclipse. I'll provide the link in the description below. Fact number 2. Safety first. Make sure to use solar eclipse glasses to see the solar eclipse. As per Clevelandclinic mentioned on their website, Dr. Barrick said, looking directly at the sun without eclipse glasses can lead to temporary or even permanent vision loss. I'll put an Amazon link for ISO certified solar eclipse glasses in the description below. Fact number 3. State of emergency. We all know that during a solar eclipse, a lot of people gather and observe it in the various parts of the world. But do you know? This solar eclipse made United States government to declare an emergency in some geographical locations. Fact number 4. The solar eclipse is mentioned in the great Hindu epic of Mahabharata. As per Dr. Balakrishna mentioned on the VedicAstronomy.net website, it is said that Jarasandha was killed when Sri Krishna covered the sun for a short time just before the sunset. This could be looked upon as a solar eclipse. I am putting the link of this website in the description below. Number 5. 31.6 million people. NASA says that roughly 31.6 million people live in the path of this solar eclipse, and little under half of the US population lives within 200 miles driving distance of the path of totality. Fact number 6. It is also said that the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, can be seen. Fact number 7. This solar eclipse is a part of SOS Series 139. In astronomy, a SOS Series is a period of approximately 18 years, 11 days and 8 hours, after which eclipses repeat themselves. The SOS Series 139 started with the partial solar eclipse on May 17, 1501. It will end with the partial solar eclipse on July 3rd, 2763. The next total solar eclipse will happen in August 23rd, 2044. So try your best not to miss this.